Here's how to set up a RainBet account. The first thing that you need to do is go to Google, Safari, or Chrome and search for RainBet. Afterwards, select on the first page that you will see, and then you will be redirected on this page. Click on the login if you have an account. Click on register if you don't have. Now put on the necessary details for you to be able to register or to create your account. Put on your username, your email address, as well as your password. Follow the prompts for the password, and then click Create Account. Afterwards, you can also do sign in on different platforms that you can see below. After signing in, RainBet will welcome you through an AI editor. Now you can just go ahead and enjoy different games and, of course, features of the RainBet, such as playing casino, doing deposit, withdraw, and buy crypto on the end.